So this is the typical looping for luminaires. This typical looping can be copied into the each flat. For that, we need to do the layoff command like this. Now connect this luminaires. One is the normal and another is the emergency. So for that, I will connect this with the main dB and the emergency dB. So there will be the 2 dB at outside the passage. Maybe in the electrical room or outside. Or it is nearby the staircase. Or it may be in the electrical shaft. So here is the electrical shaft. I will provide the electrical dB or the lighting dB into this like this. So this is the standard dB into the electrical shaft. Now the looping is going like this. For that, we need to provide the loop number 4. So there is the loop 4. And this loop 4 as well as lighting loop 5 for emergency will be there. So for loop number 4, we need to connect the normal luminaire with that. Next is the emergency loop. So here it is, the emergency looping. So one is for normal and another is for emergency looping. This is what we need to do for the looping purpose. To connect the luminaires with each other, there must be in a different loop. For the living room and balcony, there is the one loop. For kitchen, WC and passage area, there is another loop. For bedroom, bathroom, there is the third loop. So by this looping, we need to connect the luminaires with each other. The same typical flat is connected by this looping, and in the main passage there is the main normal LED and the emergency LED. So this is the lighting layout by the luminaire calculation. This is the standard formula required to calculate the lumens output. So the title for this drawing is Electrical Lighting Layout for Typical Floor Plan. This is the standard formula required for that. Legend is also there. Here is the legend. So this is the complete layout for electrical lighting, typical floor plan.